thanks for watching my video. Okay, let's jump right on into it. So this is a Wet n Wild gel polish, no light or UV lamp, whatever, required. And it also claims that you don't need a top coat. So right here I was just showing you the consistency, and I'm just putting it on a little nail tip so we can see like how opaque it is just with one coat. Baby, like, they was not playing. I'm like, what? And yes, it was $1 from Dollar Tree. And here's a little lineup of the nails that I have. I'm gonna put it over top of acrylic. My favorite color out of this is Until Next Time. Get it? Until. Don't judge me. I'm low-key corny, so whatever. But I'm just trying to figure out what color I'm actually going to put on my nails, because I really did have planned to do Until Next Time on my nails, but I don't know. And then my next favorite one is that taupe color, so it was like between those two for real. And then I was just trying to like match it up, like, let me just see my options. And then I was like, blue. Ooh, blue. And blue is not my favorite color, so I was like really kind of weirded out by it. So I was like, whatever. So I picked the dark blue and the little light blue-ish color. I have nothing on my acrylics, like, you know, it's just ready for the gel polish. So I'm just painting it on. So, okay, I think I recorded this video like twice or some madness like that. I don't know, but I do know that I painted it and I accidentally touched it. And when I touched it, it was like drying, and like the consistency is kind of weird, because I really do feel like I stand by what they're saying by how it's like a gel polish and a nail polish all mixed in one. Because like when I was touching it, like when I accidentally touched it, it felt like it was like my finger was stuck. It kind of gave me like a paint texture or consistency. Like, it was like my finger was like, it wasn't really stuck, but it felt like, you know, it had a nice little hole, and I pulled away like if it was regular nail polish. So I mean, yeah, like I was a little like wow about it. Now, speaking of paint, when you put this polish on, like the first coat is gonna look kind of matte looking, like, as you can tell. And it's like when the second coat comes though, baby, oh, you don't need that top coat. Like, for real, you don't need the top coat. Like, I stand by that, like, for sure. Now, if you saw my nails on Instagram, KarterChanelBeauty, I have like some sparkles on top of it, which will be by LA Colors. I think it was like Mermaid or something. I just wanted to give it a little something extra, because like my nails look kind of boring, you know. And I mean, if boring is you, get it how you live. I ain't judging. I'm just saying, like, I'm a type of girl who like a little, like, I'm simple with a little dash of glam, and I didn't have any rhinestones. I ordered that, so it's on its way. So I was like, I gotta do something to give it a look. And so I put the little mermaid sparkle on top of it. But you can make it however you want to make it. Seeing that these were $1 from Dollar Tree, you can, girl, you can do any type of variations that you want to. And just in case anybody is wondering, on my fingers, it's on my tattoos on my finger, it says Bobby and Long. That's just basically for my grandma. When I was younger, I didn't know how to say grandma, so I called her Long. And she was my number one reason for doing a lot of things in life before I had kids. So if you were just wondering what the tattoo said on my finger, you know, nothing serious. Don't mind me. And that pointer nail, listen, y'all, I swear to God, I messed up that finger. Like, you saw how I just swiped it? I did that at least 5 times. And I'm low-key lazy, so I just kept painting over top of it. Like, don't judge me. I'm gonna get it how I live. And I'm like, it's my nails. It's not on a client. And from far away, you're gonna think it looks cute. Just don't ask to see up close, because then that's when shit gets real. And hey, that's all. As long as we can pass, that's it. You know, I was the type of kid that only got like, is it passing, when I was in school. So don't mind me, please don't, and don't judge me, okay? But I mean, it's really nothing else to it. Just add the polish. If you want to add a top coat, you can add a top coat. I did add top coats to the sparkles with the LA Colors, and I almost feel like it took a longer time for it to dry. I don't know, but I will say that's the bad part about these nails, is waiting for it to dry, because I feel like that's where the regular nail polish part comes into play, and that was just kind of boring. And see, that's the third time I messed it up. See, You know what I'm saying? If you're kind of like a messy, clumsy, like not paying attention type of person like me, this might not be so good, or you might need to set aside some time, like some dedicated time, and just not do anything. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you like the nails. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again on the next video.